Alright, let's look at the homework 1.1, 1.2, problem number 2. Alright, so we have 2 points, 3, 3 and 7, 5. And for part A, we want to plot points. Alright, so 3, 3. So use the point tool. Alright, X is 3 and Y is 3, so it's going to be right there. Alright, so that's the first point. 7, 5. So X is 7, Y is 5. It's going to be right there. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so let's go ahead and check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got both points correctly. Alright, so let's look at part B. Part B, we want to know the distance between 2 points. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so remember that distance formula is d is equal to square root of quantity x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. So we just have to name the first one x1 comma y1, and the other one is x2 comma y2. Alright, going through this distance formula, we have square root. Alright, so x2 is 7 minus x1 is 3, square that, and y2 is 5 minus y1 is 3 squared. So this is going to be square root of, alright, so 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Plus 3 minus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Right? So this is square root of 16 plus 4 is 20. Right? So we can actually, 20 can be broken down into factor 2. And there's another factor 2, 5. Alright, so you can see that we have a pair of 2's in there. So we can pull it out. So this is the same thing as a 2 square root of, left over is 5. Alright, so it's a 2 square root of 5. So let's type it in. Alright, so we have 2. Alright, there's a square root of 5. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly. Alright, part C, we want to find the midpoint. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, midpoint, remember that we just have to take the average of each coordinate. So you have here, so 3 plus 7, so x1 plus x2, and divide by 2, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. So this is going to be 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 over 2 is 5. Alright, 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 over 2 is 4. So we have 5 comma 4. Alright, so let's type it in. It's a 5 comma 4. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part C, midpoint, correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.